Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect scrambled eggs. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 to 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of milk or cream, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan and a rubber spatula. Also, grab a small bowl and a whisk or fork for easy mixing. These tools are key for a smooth process. Now, let's get those eggs ready. Crack your eggs into the small bowl, then add your milk or cream and season with salt and pepper. Whisk everything together vigorously for about 30 seconds. You want the yolks and whites to be fully combined, creating a uniform, slightly airy mixture. Avoid overwhisking. A light consistency is perfect for fluffy results. It's time to cook. Heat 1 teaspoon of butter or oil in your nonstick pan over medium-low heat. Once warm, pour in your egg mixture and let it sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds. As the edges begin to set, gently push the cooked egg from the sides towards the center with your spatula. Continue this motion, creating soft, creamy curds. The final touch: remove the pan from the heat when your eggs are mostly set but still look slightly moist. The residual heat will continue to cook them. Keep gently folding for a few more seconds off the heat to prevent overcooking and ensure a creamy texture. Serve immediately and enjoy your perfectly scrambled eggs. For more great deals, including on reading devices, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.